Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with a wonderful treat for you all. Here is a Mr. Benjamin album completed with wedding pictures. This beautiful album was created by Yvette Claeys, and I hope you guys enjoy this quick video and realize how beautiful and elegant you can make this album for a wedding or using large size photos just like you see here. Here's another version of using a large size photo in the Mr. Benjamin album. It's beautiful. I will be sure to link you all down below to your purchase options for Mr. Benjamin. But this album is breathtaking, and I hope it really depicts the versatility, the unique way that you can arrange your photos, and it's truly, truly a keepsake. The Mr. Benjamin photo mats allow you to do full-size photos, a cropped down version of the 8x10 as you can see here, or 5x7, and of course 4x6s in both the landscape and the portrait orientation. So you get lots of versatility in terms of photo orientation. Here is another amazing spread, just beautiful. Here's a great way to show the 4x6 photos in the landscape version. Here again, these are 3x4s if I'm not mistaken in the landscape version, accompanied by pattern paper and embellishments. Just stunning. The portrait version of the 4x6 as you can see here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. A little bit of interaction with some pockets. Very few pockets here, but they're strategically placed just to give you that interaction, what we all love in mini albums. Look at this. This is just majestic. Absolutely stunning. These pictures are amazing, and the perfect way to display them in this Mr. Benjamin album. Yvette, I must say you did this album justice, and you are a true artist. I absolutely enjoyed looking at these photos. I actually had the opportunity to look at this album in person at the Pita Fest event, which was in April of 2017. Again, guys, Mr. Benjamin, a wedding version. I'll link you down below. To your purchase options, this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.